Hi, my name is Oliver. Today I'll be walking you through how to assemble your hummingbird. Step 1. Starting with the colorful picture side down, fold the paper in half horizontally and reopen. Step 2. Fold the paper in half vertically and reopen. Step 3. Flip the paper over so the colorful picture side faces up. Step 4. Fold the upper right corner down diagonally to the bottom left corner and reopen. Step 5. Fold the upper left corner down diagonally to the bottom right corner and reopen. Step 6. Find the corner with the track runner and point it towards you. The paper should look like a diamond. Step 7. Flip the paper over so the colorful picture side faces down. Step 8. Use your finger to press down on the center of the paper where the fold lines intersect. The corners will pop up and create a bowl shape. Step 9. Grab the left and right corners of the diamond and bring them together over the center. Step 10. Hold these two corners together with one hand. Step 11. Use your other hand to bring the top corner in toward the two corners you hold in your hand. Step 12. Hold these three corners together with one hand. Step 13. Use your other hand to bring the bottom corner in toward the three corners you hold in your hand. Step 14. Hold these four corners together. You have made a smaller square. Step 15. Lay this square on a table. Flatten it down to crease the edges. Step 16. Rotate the square so that the corner with the track runner points toward you. Step 17. Fold the left corner of the top layer up so that the outer edge lines up with the vertical center crease. Step 18. Repeat step 17 for the right side. You have made a kite shape. Step 19. Flip the paper over and repeat steps 17 through 18. Step 20. Fold the top corner of the kite down along the top edges of the left and right flaps. This will look like a triangle with a wide base. Reopen this fold. Step 21. Flip the paper over and repeat step 20. Step 22. Reopen the left and right flaps. Step 23. Put your finger on the horizontal crease from the triangle you made in steps 20 through 21. Use your other hand to lift up the bottom corner of the diamond's top layer until this corner is pointing straight up. The paper will look like an open clamshell. Step 24. Guide the clamshell's left and right corners in toward the center as you bring the top of the clamshell all the way back. Flatten the sides to a skinny diamond shape. Step 25. Flip the paper over and repeat steps 22 through 24. Step 26. Flip the paper over again. Step 27. Folding along the horizontal center crease. Bring the top corners layer down to meet the bottom corner. You have made a kite shape on top of the skinny diamond shape. Step 28. Fold the entire paper in half along the vertical center crease. You have made a triangle. Turn the paper until the long flat side of the triangle faces away from you. Step 29. Pick up the triangle by its bottom center point. You will see that one of the top corners is red. The other corner has 3 flaps. Step 30. From the corner with 3 flaps, take the flap closest to you and line up its diagonal edge with the vertical center crease. Fold here so the flap points up. Step 31. Turn the paper over in your hand. Repeat step 30. You have made the hummingbird's wings. Step 32. Take the red corner, push down on the center crease of the red area to fold it inward. Pinch the red area closed to finish the hummingbird's beak. Congratulations, you've made your hummingbird.